Good morning, March 11th, 2026, and I have not had very good luck lately. That's why I haven't had any videos. So today I'm out here in shallower water and I'm looking to see if I can catch a northern pike, which I have been throwing back all the way up till now. So holy shit, I got a bite. Came right up off the bottom. Pulled me down. You gotta take it somewhere, buddy. You gotta go down or something. Nice perch. Yeah. Okay. I like that. Finally a fish. Hot damn. First fish of the day, first fish in like a month. I'm gonna keep it. It's probably enough for half a meal. If I had a salad or something. All right, finally a fish. Fish. Take it. Take it down. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh. Broke. Got both lines. Son of a bitch. Come on. That's a pike. Alright. I'm gonna keep you because you stole both my freaking lines. Bitch. Getting filleted up tonight. What a way to end the evening. I was just thinking about quitting. You were with the old man outdoors. We're fishing near Rainy Lake City, and that fish had both hooks. Unbelievable. Little tiny pike. Two fish today, perch and a pike. I came out here looking for a pike and I got one. Thank you for watching.